Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can upload your project to GitHub through this VS Code terminal. So if you see that currently I am in that VS Code, and inside the VS Code, I have a folder called new folder, and inside the new folder, I have a file called index.js file, in which is have only one single line code called console.log is high. Now let's say that you have a multiple folder, multiple file in your current project, and if you want to upload that file to your GitHub through the terminal, and you can want to perform these steps multiple time, how can you do that? That thing I'm going to show you that. The first thing is that you make sure that you search for that Google call GitHub base download. You will be reach that website called GitHub SCM download page. Here you need to download based on your operating system. If you are in Windows, you can use that Windows download, or if you are in Mac, you can use that Mac download file, and you make sure that you install this file. Once your installation is done, that is the first step. Once your installation is done, you go and then log into your GitHub account, and this is the GitHub account. Here you need to create a repository. Okay, so let's say that I'm going to create a repository called, I'll click the new button here, and then here I need to create a repository. Let's say that I'm putting the name called demo. And then depending on your choice, like public or private, you can do that and then click the create repository. Once you click that create repository, you will get this kind of page. So this is your page where you can actually see your file. You will be able to see all your file. Okay. If you see the top, there are some URL, and here also that some steps are mentioned. Okay. Now let's go back to our VS Code, and inside the terminal, we are going to write some code. Okay. The first code we are going to write that called git init. So make sure that you are in current folder like this. I am in the new folder, and you can see this, my terminal also open in the new folder. Now here, if I want to upload this project to this GitHub, what I have to do, I have to go and then type call git, then I have to type call git init. So once I hit the enter, it should give me some message. Let's see that. If I hit that, you can see that it is initialized that git repository. Okay. So this is the first step. What is the next steps? The next step is that all the steps are actually mentioned here. You can perform the same steps. So we'll add a file. So we'll go and then we'll hit enter. What will be happen? A folder will be added. And then after that, what we are going to do that, we are going to do the first commit. So we'll copy that and then follow our first commit. We'll go and then copy this line and then hit enter. You can see that it's showing that index file have a first changes. So that is inserted here. After that, what should be happen? We are going to push that to our main branch. We'll copy this line and then we are going to paste here and then hit enter. So we are trying to push into the main branch, and after that we can go and then copy. This is our URL where we are actually going to push that. You can see that we are going to push into this URL. We'll copy and then hit enter. Till the point nothing is changed to your GitHub. So it's till the point nothing is uploaded into the GitHub. If I refresh here, you can see that nothing is uploaded to your GitHub. The final line or the last line is that this is the line. You have to copy this line and then you go here, paste here, and if you hit that, what will be happen? This file, or if you have multiple files, all the file is going to be uploaded to your system. So if I hit enter, you can see that this file is prepared and pushed to our main branch. If we go here and then if I duplicate that screen, you will be able to see that our file is index.js file is added here. You can see this is our first commitment, and if I open that, you can see that will have our console.log, that file index file. If I come back, you can see that I have done the first commit, and which is right now showing here 1 minute ago. So this is our commit logs. So this way you can actually upload your file to your GitHub.